Today, I'm making Banh Khot, which is Vietnamese mini savory pancakes. So let's start. So the secret to a successful Banh Xeo batter that makes it super crispy is to let it rest overnight, but also have sparkling water. Let's start off with 2 cups of rice flour, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, which also helps in making it crispy, a 1/4 cup of coconut milk, beer for not only the carbonation but also the flavor, a teaspoon of kosher salt, turmeric, which gives it its signature yellow color. So it's actually not made from eggs, which a lot of people seem to think so. So 1/2 a tablespoon here, a tablespoon of olive oil, and then, wow, the sparkling water. You're gonna need 3 cups of this. Whisk everything together. And a 1/3 cup of chives. Chives will give it a nice flavor. Peel and devein the shrimp and then cook until the shrimp turns pink. And when making this, I like to use a special Banh Khot pan, which I bought on Amazon. You're gonna wanna brush each hole with oil and then pour a tablespoon of the batter into each hole, filling it 3/4 of the way to give enough room to add the shrimp, which I like to press the shrimp into the batter so then it fills up the entire hole. Then you're gonna wanna turn the heat down to low and then cover with a lid and let it steam for 5 minutes. Remove the lid, turn the heat back up to high, and then cook for about a minute. Then you want to flip pancake over so then it cooks the other side. Basically, you want the edges crispy, but the center soft and fluffy. Pour hot oil over chopped green onions to make the scallion oil, which you're gonna then top each Banh Khot with. I find that they're best eaten wrapped in lettuce with Vietnamese herbs and cucumbers and pickled daikon and carrots, and dip it in a fish sauce. This is definitely my favorite way to eat Banh Khot. Wow, so delicious.